In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add documents in Docusign rooms, and we're going to cover all the essential steps to ensure you can do this with ease. First, let's get started by navigating to the Docusign homepage. This is the first step in our journey to effectively manage documents using this fantastic platform. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice several options. However, what we're looking for is the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the place where you can enter your credentials and access your Docusign account. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to sign up first, but for those who already have one, simply log in as you normally would. After logging in, you're directed to the Docusign home. This is your central hub for all things related to electronic signature and document management. From here, you'll have the ability to manage your agreements, track their progress, and most importantly, add new documents. It's a user-friendly interface, so take a moment to get familiar with the layout if you're new to it. Now it's time to begin the process of adding a document, so the next step is clicking on the Start button. Located prominently on your screen, this button will initiate the process for creating or modifying document packages. Once you've clicked Start, another screen will appear with several options for input. Here you'll find the Upload button, which is essential for our task at hand. Click on Upload, which will allow you to select the documents you want to add from your computer or network. Ensure that you have the file ready for this stage. Pro tip: have your documents in a common format like PDF or Word to ensure a seamless upload process. As you select your document, give some thought to the preparation of your files. Adding well-organized documents will save you time in the long run, especially when you're ready to send them out for signatures or just manage them effectively within Docusign rooms. Once you've successfully uploaded your document, you'll see it appear in your document list. From here you can edit, manage, or send it as needed. You'll also have the flexibility to add any additional files by repeating the upload steps if you need to manage multiple documents at once, and there you have it. By following these steps, you are now adept at adding documents in Docusign rooms. Remember, practice makes perfect. And as you get more accustomed to the interface, you'll find your workflow becoming increasingly efficient. Whether you're handling contracts, agreements, or other documents, Docusign provides a robust platform to support your needs. Thanks for watching and happy document managing.